Hello guys, welcome to my channel with this new video. In this video I'm gonna show you 4 softwares to edit your videos on PC and mobile phone for free, and no watermark. First one is Capcat, an editor made by TikTok, available for mobile phones and laptops, with a wide range of effects, animations, and tools. Second one is ClipChamp, an editor recently added by Microsoft to Windows 11. Like the previous one, it also have advanced and easy-to-use effects and tools. Denliv. It's an open-source video editor with advanced features to edit your videos the way you want. It is an alternative for Premiere Pro and other advanced editors. The last one in this list is DaVinci Resolve. It is an advanced editor, mostly common by its perfect colors editing. There is the free version and the paid one, but the free is more than sufficient for essential editing's needs. If you like this video, support me with a like and subscribe to continue making more videos like this.